Since today is Arbor Day, we are going to learn about trees. Trees is 树. Hey, 大家好. Hello everybody, welcome back to Intro to Chinese Basics You Need to Know with Akini. We're going to start with fruit trees. Fruit is 水果, so that will be 水果树. Fruit, 水果. Trees, 树. 水果树. Okay, so the types of trees out there are orange trees, apple trees, banana trees, pear trees, cherry trees, persimmon trees. I'll write the types of trees on the board. The fruit trees are orange, banana, apples, cherry, pear, peach, and persimmon. So these are the trees we're going to talk about today that are fruit trees. And if you have any other fruit trees that you would like to learn, please leave a comment below and let me know. So orange tree is 橘子树. So it's 橘子树. Banana tree is 香蕉树. 香蕉 is banana. So that's banana, 香蕉树 is tree. 香蕉树, banana tree. Apple is 苹果. 苹果 is apple, so 苹果树, apple tree, 苹果树. Cherry tree. Cherry is 樱桃树. Cherry tree, 樱桃树. Pear. Pear is 梨树. Pear tree is 梨树. Pear tree. And then peach is 桃树. Peach, 桃树. 桃树. Persimmon, that is persimmon, 柿子树. Okay, so let's say all of them together. Start from the top. Orange, 橘子树. Then banana, 香蕉树. Then apples, 苹果树. Cherry, 樱桃树. Pear, 梨树. Then peach, 桃树. And then persimmon, 柿子树. So many different types of trees. Okay, we'll start with magnolia. That's 木兰. You know 木兰. So this is where it comes from. 木兰 means the type of flower. Magnolia. 木兰. Flower, of course, is 花. So that's where you get 花木兰. The next one is willow. 柳. And then bamboo, one of my favorite types of trees. That's 竹子. This is bamboo, 竹子. Okay, next we have red maple. Red is 红, and then maple is 枫树. So 红枫树, that means red maple. 红枫树. Sycamore. 无花果. So sycamore is 无花果. Oak, 橡树. So 橡树. Sequoia, that is 红杉. That is sequoia. 红杉. Okay, another one kind of similar, spruce. 云杉. Spruce, 云杉. And then evergreen, this 常青树. Evergreen, 常青树. Hopefully you got the word tree by now. 树. These ones are kind of similar, so pay attention. Juniper is 杜松. Juniper, 杜松. Pine is 松树. So pine, 松树. Cedar, 雪松树. Cedar, 雪松树. Let's put those all down for you. So it's juniper, pine, and cedar. And the first one is 杜松. The pine is 松树. Cedar is 雪松树. So they all have the 松. So 杜松, juniper, 松树, pine, and 雪松树, cedar. Elm, 榆树. Elm, 榆树. Witch hazel. This one's pretty cool. So, which hazel? 金缕梅 Aspen, that is 白杨 Aspen is 白杨 Birch, similar to aspen. Birch is 白桦树 Alright, that's all the trees for this video. And if your favorite tree was not in this video, please leave me a comment and let me know. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I make new videos every week. I'd love to see you back. And thumbs ups are always welcome. And I'll see you next time. 下次见